One. What up, morning, evening, noon, night. And response to the big up on the south. The time of day is something there. The video is something there. So as we all know, Usain Bolt don't mind trying new things. I think he's done cricket, and he was doing soccer, and now he's into music, especially carnival. If you know Usain Bolt, you know him love carnival. So over in Trinidad now, he linked up with Ultimate Rejects, and he did a song called Energy to Burn, and he put a snippet of it on his Instagram. So take a listen to what the song sounds like, and let me know in the comment section if you're feeling it thus far. Alright?
Start like it. I'm back! Never know. Soca would say, are you seeing boat? Jamaica to Trinidad. Are you ready? People, when I say do jump up, I want you to jump up. Everybody rounds up, make everybody bounce up. Girl wine, jiggle everybody, girl wine, shake everybody, girl wine. Stop. Work up the animals, all of the radicals, yes. Take out no